Jungmun Bene Hardware Company Limited, established in 2020, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of kitchen storage hardware, wardrobe storage hardware, stainless steel hinges, stainless steel lever handles, stainless steel hardware. We are located in Jungmun with convenient transportation access. With an area of 3,000 square meters and more than 35 employees, we have laser, cutting, curving, stamping, tapping, assembling, welding, and CNC machines and production lines to ensure 200 containers annually. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We keep less than 1% customer complaint rate with unique 135 QC control system and MPG loading system. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 REACH CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Germany, Italy, Spain, UK, France, USA, and Asian area, etc. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Meanwhile, we provide a complete range of kitchen storage hardware products covering 3,000 plus SKU, which supports us to give our clients perfect one-stop services. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.